Hello, and welcome to your bedtime deep rest yoga flow. You have a pillow, keep it handy for the end of this practice. We'll get started at the top of our mat. Take a couple deep breaths. Hands can come to prayer at heart center, or place one hand at your heart and the other hand on your belly. Breathe deep. Set an intention for this practice. If you're getting ready to get cozy in bed, maybe your intention is to let go. Let go of the stress of your day. Let go of any thoughts that are adding pressure and tension to your mind or body. Inhale, welcome in your intention. Bring in the energy of rest and relaxation. Exhale, let go of anything from your day that is no longer serving you. On your next inhale, extended mountain pose, raise your arms up, fingers reach up toward the sky. Optional to come up high in your toes, reach like you're wearing high heels. Inhale. Exhale, hands through prayer, bend your knees, sink your hips low, control your descent all the way down. Allow your hips to rest on your heels. Reach your hands down for the floor or the mat. Sink your hips down and take a little toe massage. Roll forward and back on your feet. Relieve the pressure and tension from your day. Keep your toes tucked. Sit back on your heels. Palms over your thighs. Inhale, kneeling cow pose. Shine your heart forward. Bring your arms back and up. Exhale, kneeling cat. Round your spine. Tuck your chin. Inhale, cow. Shine your heart forward. Look up. Exhale, cat. Draw your belly button into your spine. Inhale, cow. Circle your arms. Exhale, cat. Round your spine. Inhale, place your left hand on your right thigh and take your right arm back behind you for an easy twist. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, take your right arm back. Release. Send your left arm back and long. Right hand comes to your left thigh. Open your shoulders to the left, twist. Release. Plant your hands, step back. Inhale, high plank, shoulders over wrists, legs stretch long, long spine. Look down. Exhale, slowly with control, lower yourself all the way down to your belly. Option to drop your knees to the mat. Release the shoelace side of your feet to the mat. Inhale, peel your chest off the mat. Head and neck are the last to arrive. Look up. Exhale, roll yourself down. Head and neck are the final things to come down. Continue this ripple. Inhale, press up. Look up. Roll your body up. Exhale, roll down. Tap your forehead. Inhale, press up. Shoulders shine forward. Expose your throat. Exhale, lower. Tap your forehead down. Rest for a moment. Extend your left arm long to the left. Press through your right hand. Draw your right leg back and around to find the mat. Press your right hand into the mat. Open your shoulders to the right. Breathe into the tension in the left shoulder. Release. Inhale, right arm stretches out long. Press through the left hand. Open your shoulders up to the left. Left leg opens up. Option to stamp the foot behind your left hip. Breathe. Open your chest. Exhale, release. Inhale, lift your tailbone up. Keep elevated as you press back, puppy pose. Like child's pose, except your hips are pointed up to the sky, floating off your heels. Arms stretch out long in front of you. Drape your torso down so your heart sinks towards the mat. Breathe. Let go here. Release and surrender. Inhale. Exhale, sink your hips back, child's pose. Rest your forehead on the mat, hips over your heels. Inhale. Exhale, walk your hands over to the right. Cross your left hand over your right. Feel the stretch along the left side of your body. Release. Inhale, walk your hands off to the left. Cross your right arm over your left. Return to center. Bend at the elbows. Draw your palms to the nape of your neck. Feel a stretch all along your triceps. Release. Inhale, thread the needle. Inhale, fly your right arm up, open your shoulders to the right. Exhale, thread your right hand behind your left. Rest your right shoulder and ear on the mat. Stay here or stretch your left arm long in front of you and stretch your left toes back behind you. Breathe, release. Fly your right arm up for a quick counter stretch. Return to tabletop. Other side. Inhale, left arm. Inhale, fly your left arm up to the sky. Exhale, thread it behind the right. Rest your left ear and shoulder on the mat. Option to extend your right arm long in front of you and extend your right toes. Continue to peel your chest open to the right. Breathe. Release. Keep your pillow handy as you roll yourself down. Keep your knees bent and your feet stamped into the mat. Inhale, lift your hips up just enough to slide the pillow under your hips. Supported bridge pose. Breathe here. Surrender your hips and allow them to rest fully on your pillow. Stay right there or extend your legs out long. Allow yourself to let go and release into the support of the pillow on your low back. Breathe here. An option to take a supported inversion. Send your feet up high to the ceiling. Stamp your feet on the ceiling. Place your hands on your belly. Breathe deep. Inhale, welcome in comforting, warm, restful energy. Exhale, release something that's no longer serving you. Release, lift yourself, and switch the direction of your pillow so it can run the length of your spine. Rest your hips on your mat or bed and allow your spine to rest along your pillow. Bring your arms out long, supported fish pose. Rest your hips down, shine your heart open, feel expansive and open through your heart. For a little more, come up onto your elbows to your forearms and rest the crown of your head on the mat. Release your pillow and bring it in between your thighs. Cuddle with your pillow and roll yourself off to the right side. Final twist, resting with your pillow. You can curl in this fetal position or take your arms out to a T and send your gaze off to the left, to the opposite direction as your legs, or to the ceiling. Release and switch sides. Send your gaze in the opposite direction. Send your legs off to the left. Breathe. And release your pillow under your knees. And take a couple breaths in your final resting pose, Shavasana. I encourage you to meditate and sit in stillness before you go to sleep. Have a beautiful rest.